How many hours have you wasted debugging Stripe webhooks at 2 a.m. while your SaaS revenue leaks like a sieve? Our payment integration pack hands you battle tested Stripe/PayPal checkout flows with Express.js middleware, webhook event processors with item potency keys, subscription billing engines with proration logic, and PCI compliance frameworks pre audited by security experts. This is for React/Node.js devs building fintech apps, Python/Django engineers scaling marketplaces, and Rustaceans crafting high frequency payment APIs. Let's just say we'll handle the payments so you can finally fix that one CSS flexbox that's been haunting you since 2019. Here's what's inside the payment integration pack. Secure checkout flows with Stripe elements and PayPal smart buttons. Webhook event processors with Redis backed rate limiting. Subscription billing management with trial periods and coupon stacking. PCI compliance frameworks with tokenization and SCA ready authentication. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From one time donations to enterprise licensing models, we've got your payment architecture covered like a heat seeking missile locked onto revenue goals. Installing the payment integration pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add payment integration pack. That's it. You get the complete workflow: checkout UIs, webhook handlers, subscription cron jobs, and compliance audit trails, all pre-configured. Your next Claude Code session picks up the Stripe API secrets automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to debug 402 payment required errors and explain PCI SAQ types to your CTO. We'll even throw in a free PDF titled How to Explain Payment Gateways to Non-Tech Founders Without Crying.